hapon. Secret kasi nagbigay ng flowers. Rizal. Davao. Bigay mo na. Ba't dito may bibigay?
Papatid ko pa kayang kay chef eh. Baka ipang-advise na naman sa akin.
Hindi mo na, ibibigay mo lang, i-message na lang sa'yo. Ako kasi sa akin kasi kailang ano na sa akin. Hindi mo na kailang pa-check-check pa. Bigay mo na. Ngayon nga ang pasahan eh.
Ano daw, ano? Me, sinus yung katabi mo? Hindi.
Cooker eh. Pangasinan high.
Hi, Trixie. So guys, mag-in ako ng live.
Shout out guys.
Hello Jay. Ano Jayo? Jayo. Hi. Thank you sa gift. Thank you sa Mosen. Hala B. Ang laki na niyan. Jensen. Rizal. Bukid nun. Ay, hindi po ako kasama.
Nandun ka, pumikit ka.
Hindi ko kasama sa mga ngayon. Gusto ko mahihimik ka. Hindi nga lang
Final po namin yun. Uy, thank you sa heart.
Sabihin sa'yo, pagdating niya ni Neri,
never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help. Don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out. Talk it out.
Oo nga, magkasama sila. Yes pala, 5:30 ako nakatulog. Gising ako ng 6:30. Pag ako walang klase ng APTED, ng phrase subject namin. So, tapos may ginawa lang ako, mga 8:30 ata. Nakatulog ako, gising ako 11:30. Mga 4 hours pala. Ako nag-ML kami kagabi. Dahil na nga asar eh, oh. Ay, good luck. So may defense lang, meron din kami sa Friday. Third year na ako. Madali lang ito guys. Siguro live rin ako maya-maya. Labi yan pag may bed. Hindi, feeling good. Hindi ako takot. Magugulat lang ako. Good hair color. Mas maganda talaga natural guys eh. Pero nag-try ako once. Ash gray yata yun. Kaso sinampo ko agad, so yun, nawala agad yung kulay. Alam ko na. Wait guys. Wait lang.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need.
Sandang ko yan ng bato. Yung gantong bear yan. Okay, okay. May puso eh. Yung isa nang yayakap, kala mo close. Try ko ako magandang series. Depende sa genre mo eh. Yung may demon. May demon na ba yun? Oo, yung may demon. Maganda yun.
My name is Walter Hardwell White.
Hindi ko alam kung manunood ako. Nakatugtog na lang ako. Yay, nasira na naman ng study toy. Movie suggestion. Hindi na ako masyado nakakanood. Ako pa pagsasuggest. Wait lang. Ano, siguro. Hindi ko alam eh. Ay, panoodin niyo ano, Unhappy for You. Save ba sa MPL? Onyx siguro. Guys, doon din si Kuya. Dito sila may invite.